Maaga kaming umalis ng Warsaw, 6:45 a.m., sakay ng ICC train papuntang Mielno. Alam niyo ba, dito sa Poland, summer is a big deal. Lahat lumalabas, nagbabakasyon, nag-e-enjoy sa nature. At to be honest, hindi mo kailangan lumabas ng bansa para makahanap ng ganda. Poland itself is already full of amazing places to visit. Ang maganda pa, ang dali lang magbiyahe dito. Convenient ang transportation, madali lang mag-book, at hindi rin ganon kamahal compared to traveling around other EU countries. Kaya perfect talaga for family trips.
Nice. Oh, remove your shoe.
Check the balcony.
Yeah, we have a balcony and the view of the lake.
Pagdating namin sa Mielno after lunch, wow, ang ganda! Beach on one side, lake on the other. Literal na nature sa harap mo.
Hi guys, so we're here in Mielno. We're staying at the Blue Marine Mielno. And so I'll show you. Ang aming view is the lake dito, and then sa kabilang side is the beach, is the sea. So ang ganda kasi napapagitnaan siya.
We stayed at Blue Marine Mielno, a very family-oriented resort. Ang ganda ng location, tahimik pero may complete amenities for everyone. Buffet breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. At dinner naman from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. Buffet din. So imagine, punong-puno na tiyan namin dyan. Di na kailangan ng lunch kasi sobrang busog na talaga.
Like it?
Sa loob, may indoor playground for kids. Foosball, billiards, computer video games room, table tennis, sauna, steam room, at syempre indoor swimming pool. May mga daily programs din for kids. So kahit sila, busy at happy habang nagre-relax kami. Sa activity na to, hindi namin sinasadya na yung jacket ni Erin ay talagang Mario Brothers. So nagulat kami na yung dalawang coordinator and organizer ay nakasuot din ng Mario Brothers costume. Alam niyo naman ang favorite namin bilang family, yung pagbabike around the city na pinupuntahan namin.
D for drive.
Sa hotel na rin namin nirerentahan yung bike namin. May per hour siya at kapag ka naka 3 hours ka, mas malaki yung discount. So we bike around the lake and the beach. May mga bike trails dito sa Mielno na sobrang ganda. Safe, malinis at scenic. We love exploring the city with friends. Ang nature dito grabe, parang painting. Tahimik, peaceful, pero may modern conveniences din. Honestly, we were able to imagine living here. Siyempre, ang tungo namin is from hotel at to the city center naman. Sa city center, ang daming attractions at kainan.
NFC.
Tapos yung hangin, ay nako ang sarap. Malamig, pero preskong presko.
beach is just in front.
Eto na, tatawid lang kami, beach na. Kaya hindi na kailangan magdala ng kung ano-ano pa. Pwede ring drinks or snacks kung takot kang magutom gaya namin. Ang buhangin, pino at malamig sa paa. Preserve pa rin yung forest between the lake and the beach. Ang focus mo lang talaga ay mag-relax at magpahinga and enjoy the nature.
Hi, Ari!
Nagdala lang kami ng tent kasi masarap tumambay.
It's a big bunker.
Favorite part ko talaga ang pagpapalipad ng saranggola at pag-picture-picture with friends. Chillax lang, walang pressure. Ang linis ng beach, people really follow clean as you go. Maraming trash cans at walang mga nagtitinda ng kung ano-ano. Kaya hindi siya commercialized. Ang saya, sulit na sulit ang summer days namin. Summer in Poland really hits different. Hindi mainit na nakakairita. Tama lang para maglakad, mag-bike at mag-enjoy sa labas. Kaya summer will always be our favorite season. At syempre, practical pa rin tayo. Here's our total expense for this 5-day trip. Hotel is around 3,325 PLM for 5 days. Train and transport, 1,060 PLM for a family of 3. Syempre, meron din kami mga miscellaneous, kagaya ng Starbucks, mga souvenir, mga pasalubong na umabot ng around 500 PLM. Pero syempre yan ay nasa sa inyo na. Ang bike rental namin sa 3 araw ay umabot lamang ng 70 PLN dahil may dala kaming scooter. Ang total namin ay wala pang 5,000 PLN. Imagine nyo na lang that is a family vacation in Europe. So ayan, sulit na sa family bonding, relaxation at adventure, all in one trip. Poland talaga is a hidden gem for families. You get the nature, the peace and the joy, without breaking the bank. This is Pinay Mom in Europe and this was our Mielno summer story. See you sa next naming video dahil next stop, autumn na. And this is made possible through our channel of blessing, COB Corporation SP Zoom. See you sa aming mga next videos. Madami pa kaming naganap nitong summer.